Hey everyone, Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirkendra. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining me. Today we are doing some cozy restorative poses using a bolster to support your body as we move, breathe, and relax. If you don't have one, feel free to use a pillow or a cushion. Come as you are and let's get comfortable. Place your bolster lengthwise. Come down to seat on your mat. Scooch towards the edge of your bolster. Keep your legs bent and slowly come down. Let your arms come open, palms facing up. Bring your feet together and let's open our legs open, butterfly, then open, allowing your knees to fall. A reclined bound ankle pose. You feel that stretch and that lengthening in your lower back and your entire spine. Easy breaths in and out through your nose. Be in this pose for just a moment here. With each inhale and exhale, allow your body to continue to open. Allow the bolster to be your support, be your gentle hug. Sink deep into your mat. Open up your shoulders. Open up your chest. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Gently bring your knees up. Keep your feet together. Keep your legs touching. Place your hands on your belly and gently roll over off the bolster. And we'll come to a supported child's pose. Have your knees at the edge of your mat, big toes touching. Keep your bolster lengthwise. Fold over your bolster. Lie your head on your bolster and wrap your arms around. Gently giving your bolster a hug, gentle squeeze. Soften your jaw, soften your face, allow it to sink into your bolster. Feel your back opening, your hips opening up. Allow your chest and your belly to sink, to open up. Being gentle with yourself, welcoming in new things and new beginnings. Just letting go today. Relax your shoulders as well. Allow your entire face to relax. Relax your forehead. Continue to breathe. We'll rest in this child's pose for a moment. If you'd like, you may switch your head to the other side. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Good. Slowly do a gentle push-up off your bolster. Next, we'll ease into a gentle side twist using your bolster. You may lay on the bolster for support or be on your side. Scoot the bolster a little bit down towards your knees. Arm is straight out, legs are straight out. Lift your leg up, bend at your knees, and place your leg on your bolster and rest it there. Good. If you'd like, you may grab a pillow or a blanket for your head. If not, you can rest on your arm. This gentle twist is also opening up our back, releasing any tension that you may be feeling. And also in our hip area. Good. Continue to breathe here. Don't worry about perfection. Just do the best that you can. Give yourself grace. Give yourself gratitude for showing up for yourself. Good. Let's rest here for a moment. Deep breath in. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Let's gently come out of the pose and push yourself up. We'll switch to the other side. Again, move your bolster down towards your knees. Stretch out, legs extended out. Right leg up. Bend at your knee. And let's come over and rest. Good. And feel your back opening up here. If you're ever feeling any tension in your lower back, this opens up your back very nice. Takes off any pressure that you may be feeling. This is also stretching along the inner thigh and gently opening up your hips. Continue to breathe in and out through your nose as we rest on this side for a moment. Inhale. Exhale. Good. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Gently lift your leg up. Slide it off the bolster. Gently bend your knees. And come up. The bolster under your knees. Just to give an elevation and more support for your back. Gently come down. Arms out at your sides. Again, palms facing up. Close your eyes and relax here. Allow your body to sink deep into the floor. Allow your body to flow a little bit heavy here as you're being supported. Let's relax here for a moment. Deep breath in. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Bring awareness back into your body. Good. Bring your feet on top of your bolster. Knees towards your chest. You may cross at your ankles, rocking from side to side. And when you're ready, roll to one side and push yourself back up. Wonderful job. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that these restorative poses brought some calmness and some ease and some support for your mind and your body today. Please feel free to check out my resources in the description below, where I have my freebie, and also make sure to join my monthly newsletter. I am sharing some new exciting things for the month of January. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.